Alright, this is the heater I purchased. As you can see that it has where you can go from mini to max, and right here as well, the high, the low. The high is like where you can rotate it, which I'm going to turn on. It kind of shows you that it goes back and forth. Which I use this for my kitchen, underneath my cabinet, because in the winter it's like my pipes under the kitchen sink, they always try to freeze. So this is actually a good thing. I actually used it the other night, and it actually had my whole kitchen warm. So you see that, and that's the off button. And if you don't want it to move or rotate, you can just have it like this. But anyway, it works well for me. For it to be so small, it actually puts out a lot of heat.
This is a great little heater. You can actually have it rotating or stationary. I use this for my little home office. It tends to get a little cooler because it's in a basement. Very quiet. Very pleased with my purchase.